Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening anywhere in the world. Welcome back to our Global Weekly Updates. Today, I want to share with you some of the global impacts that may affect Vietnam and how it could affect your business. The first thing is global tourism is open. I've been seeing a lot of foreigners, tour buses coming into Vietnam. We are right here in District 1, right by the Bến Nghé Canal and also the Saigon River. So hopefully we'll see other tourists that are coming in. The second item I want to talk about is the pandemic prevention and also the future of Vietnam regarding vaccinations. And then the third item is the Singaporean investments into Vietnam. So let's start with the first one regarding tourists. Global tourism is open now. International flights are open as well. So if you look at Vietnam, as of March 15th and slowly implementing international routes from all over the world. Also, some of the bigger airlines like EVA Airlines, Singapore Airlines, Cathay Pacific are also traveling into Vietnam. Just yesterday, I hosted a few of my friends as well here. They just came in on a tourist visa. They can stay here depending on the time period. So it's ready. You can come explore. You can come just enjoy, meet your friends, visit your family, and also just take in what Vietnam has to offer once again from a tourism standpoint. The second item is regarding the vaccines. So as Vietnam and many of the bigger cities are over 90% vaccinated, then you are looking at the future of vaccination in Vietnam. Only in the past 10 years where Vietnam started vaccinating on an annual basis. But now with the pandemic almost over and the new normal, people will get vaccinated every single year. All the various hepatitis, tetanus shots, of course the seasonal flu, and then COVID as well. So you're looking at pharmaceutical companies, healthcare companies, equipment, then that is the future of development and business in Vietnam as the government continues to take care of their people. And finally, if you're looking at GDP growth and percentage growth, companies and governments and countries that are investing the most in Vietnam are Singapore, Korea, and Japan. Those are the countries that will come back first. They've established presence. There's large Japanese communities, Singaporean, and Korean communities here in Vietnam. So look for good food coming through, great investments, and also foreign direct investment in the car manufacturing space as Vietnam opens up for car manufacturing. So those are the three things I want to talk to you about today on our Global Weekly Updates. As always, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure that you like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell for notifications, and always comment on what else you want to hear and what you want to see that's happening in Vietnam so that we can give you the best information possible. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you next week.